Hi, this is Mahin from Jasmine Home Linens. Today we're going to show you a tutorial on how to make your bed look like a hotel bed. We're going to work with our Iris sheet set in white and our Daisy duvet in beige, which just came in stores. We're here at Salmi's to shoot this tutorial, which is one of our retail partners. You can shop all of our products here and online at www.jasminehomelinens.com. First, I'm going to show you what products are included in the package, what you'll need to make your bed, and let's get started. Our sheet sets include one flat embellished sheet, one plain fitted sheet, and two embellished pillowcases. This is a closer look on our flat sheet. Our flat sheet is embroidered on the hem. It really goes between you and your duvet cover.
This is our fitted sheet. As you can see, ours is already on the bed. It's plain and it has elastic all around.
And now we have the pillowcases. The pillowcases are also embroidered at the hem. We have our duvet set. The duvet cover should fit your king-size duvet filling.
Our duvet sets come with 2 pillow shams and a duvet cover.
So as you can see, our fitted sheet is already on the mattress, all nicely tucked in. I'm going to go in with the flat sheet with the design side down. The embroidered hem goes to the top of the bed and the design side faces down. You'll understand in a minute why we do that. Spread your flat sheet nicely over the bed, stretch it out, and then tuck it in. To get that hotel feeling, you want to tuck in your corners really tight, fold over the excess fabric, and start tucking it in again. You spread the duvet all over the bed and make sure you align the top corners. You've aligned the top corners of your duvet with the top corners of your flat sheet. You pull them together and fold them over. Your duvet in place, all nice and fitted. Tuck the corners of the flat sheet back into the bed. And we're ready to move on to the next step, which is pillows. So you can style your pillows in a bunch of ways. First, we're going to do a flat lay of the pillows, where I stacked the 2 different pillows on top of each other. The white sheet set pillowcases go first, and on top of that, I'm going to add the duvet pillow sham. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. We hope you enjoyed it. This helps you make your bed look like a hotel bed in your home. Never really have to go too far to feel like you're on vacation.